What are state practice and opinio juris in international law? Imagine trying to figure out what rules countries follow during wars or conflicts. How do we know which rules are truly accepted and followed? That's where the ideas of state practice and opinio juris come into play. These two concepts help us understand how countries agree on what the law is, especially in international humanitarian law. State practice is all about what countries actually do. It includes their actions, such as military conduct, passing laws, or making official statements. For example, if many countries consistently follow the rules of the Geneva Conventions during conflicts, that shows their practice. It's not just one country doing something, but many acting in a similar way over time. The practice must be widespread and consistent enough to show that countries accept it as normal behavior. Opinio juris is about why countries act the way they do. It's the belief that they are legally required to follow certain rules, not just because it's convenient or habitual. It's the mental element that shows countries see their actions as part of their legal duties. For instance, if countries participate in protecting civilians because they believe it's a legal obligation, that's opinio juris. Without this belief, their actions wouldn't create a binding rule. Together, these ideas form the basis of customary international law. When many countries act in a similar way out of a sense of legal duty, it becomes a rule everyone is expected to follow. For example, the widespread and consistent practice of countries respecting the protections of civilians during armed conflicts, combined with their belief that these protections are legally binding, creates a customary law that applies even if no treaty specifically covers that situation. In the context of international humanitarian law, understanding these concepts helps clarify how rules become universally accepted. It's not just about treaties that some countries sign, but also about what countries do and believe they are legally obliged to do. This process makes sure that the laws of war are respected worldwide, even by countries that haven't ratified every treaty. So, in simple terms, state practice is what countries do, and opinio juris is why they believe they should do it. Both are essential for creating the rules that guide countries during conflicts, ensuring protections for civilians and combatants alike. These ideas help keep the laws of armed conflict clear, consistent, and accepted by all.